Hi, artist friends. How are you? Have you ever drawn a picture of yourself? Made a self-portrait? Something that looks like you? Well, my friends are today, and they're starting to draw them with glue. They're using white glue on dark paper to make the outline, and they're using black glue on white paper to make the outline. We just add a little black paint to the glue, and look how it looks. We're going to fill them in with either chalk or pastels and even watercolors. They look so beautiful because we're beautiful. You want to come watch and learn and draw your own self-portrait today? Come on along. Wow, didn't that look fun? Wonder which one you're going to try first. Well, I hope you have a great time, and thanks for playing. See you next time.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please visit our website and remember to like and subscribe. Thanks. See you next time.